It's not like we're all robots who are taking the same information in and putting the same information out in a very rational way. We have emotions, we have biases, and all of these things are influencing how we interpret that information. Engagement, which means likes and shares, that means advertising revenue. And advertising revenue means that the social media platforms, private companies, have an incentive to prioritize engagement. They are not prioritizing truth. They're not set up to prioritize citizen engagement. They're not set up to prioritize voter knowledge. They are set up to prioritize engagement. And what makes people engage? Things that get their emotions going. Fear, laughter, outrage, that's what makes us react. And so that's where the money is. Traditional media are competing for audience with social media. And so they are now also playing the same game,